Myself Jyotitya from BA, B Honors Political Science. Today we discuss THG in some parts. THG in proposed inequality being in the last phase into nature and the function of state. In the last phase we have some criticism. We have seen no conception of the right individual against each other or against the state. It is equally impossible hold the right of sovereignty power in the state over its member. It depends on their concept and the other hands. These members have no right except some constitution right by the sovereign. The state itself by its power. The state proposes some right, the right of individual. It is a form which a society take in order to maintain them, but right have been accepted in the society of men, recognizing each other. TH also have slave have their natural rights in sense of being independent and conflict with the laws of the state in which he lives, but they are not independence of social relation. A man may have right of as a man of or a family or of human society in any of form which being a member of state at all. Right which remain right through any particular state or all state refuse to recognize them and a member of state on the ground of the capability of living a freeman among freemen which is inspired of being a member of state. It is otherwise with the citizen. The slave has a claim upon him to be treated in certain ways. The claim which is purely described as they of common humanity, but the state which him so treat the slave has also came upon them. May be truly argued, but it does not first follow them duty of being slave is necessary, duty of obeying the law, retaining from the now we have private rights and the right of state and the liberty. In order to understand the nature, we must understand the nature of the right, which does not comes into being with the nature, but arise of social relation that may exist where the state is not. If being the right, first not only office of the state and remain those right. The right which may not be treated and independent of the state in the sense explained are the cause these which commonly disintegrated as private. An objection might fairly be made to disintegrate one class of nature as personal on the ground of all the states, so not merely in the legal sense of person according which the proportion of sense every right simply is a person it is subject, but in the normal sense. If there are much right as right of all, then must be right of life and liberty, to put in more properly to free life. No distinction can be made between the right of life and the right of liberty. No right to mere life, no right to life on the part of being that has been not able the right use right according the motion of its own will. At first, it only the right of man as a member of sense one particular society and the right between him and the other members of the society. The influencing community pointed a being around the state of in the man, an independent particular citizen. I, admission of the right is free life on the part of every man. A man did not focus on locally